What's up, Sauce Gang? It's your boy Sauce Boss back in the building again with another dope project. I done seen on YouTube already, a lot of people have done this bandana puffer jacket. But check this out. I Googled the net, I Googled YouTube, and nobody never did an epic vest. No, a puffer vest? Nobody never did it? Guess what? Sauce about to do it, and I'm about to melt YouTube and the internet with this one, boy, because it's about to be epic. I'm about to blow the, as Tall Guy would say, blow the mook off this boy. So let's just get into this epic project right away. Let's go. Okay, for this project, you're going to need some filler. Since we're making a puffer vest, this is what we're going to use. You're going to need lining. So I'm using red for this. You need bandana. So I got the bandana, check. And crocodile fabric that I'm gonna do something with on there, check. I'm gonna use that. Watch me work.
Turn up the headphones a little bit. Hey. ISO. Let's get it. Whoa. Clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping. Sending emojis. I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me. And if you did, that's the old
cut it into two pieces. I have to sew the new piece in, so we're gonna head up to the sewing machine, and you can see how I'm doing it, and then you're gonna already know what I'm doing with it. I'm gonna add some piping to it, head over to the sewing machine.
Don't be chillin' with no lil, no. And if I do, I be real with them. Chase a dream, that's a meal ticket. ISO gang, yeah, they still with us. I put it in motion, they got me steady. Thoughts on my mind, it's weighing heavy. Watch how I shine, tell them I'm ready. I'm hitting my stride, let's get to the fetty. I was just sitting back watching them fold. Racks on me now, yeah, it's looking slow. I hold it down and I got my own. Keeping it grown, we back to the bone. Yeah, flying flashy, ayy. We too fancy, ayy. Can't walk past me, ayy, right up your alley. Wait, I gotta play it safe. Watch me isolate, watch me isolate, ayy, watch me isolate. Whoa. Clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping.
So what I decided to do for the lining pieces, so it's all red, and I said I didn't really like that, so I decided to cut half of the lining apart on the inner flaps, and I installed bandana fabric to the other piece, so it's attached right now. So when I sew it, it's going to be all one piece. Yes, I am the king of cutting something up. That is who I am. But so we're going to sew it now. Then I can show you how it look after that. So that's what it looked like. Then we're going to sew it. So this is what it look like when it's all sewn together and pressed. Look like it's all one piece, and that's how it should look when you get done. So as you can see now, we got the stripping sewn onto the pocket, well, for the pocket. Now we got to sew around it, but this is how it will be placed. Your pockets. We're gonna take it to the sewing machine. We're gonna sew them in. To cut out the quilting lining for the puffer vest. So this is what I'm using. You can pick this stuff up at Joann Fabrics, you know. So now I'm about to make my lines for the puffer vest. This is what I do. I just use painter's tape to make my lines out, so I actually know where I want to go, and so they could be straight and even on both sides, front and back. So this is what you could do as well. The painter tape come up super easy. Don't leave no residue. Super clean. Do not use duct tape, because you will be in a world of some for real. So let's get over to the sewing machine. All right.
Turn up the headphones a little bit. Hey. ISO. Let's get it. Whoa. Clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trying to top it. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping. Put on for the whole city.
So right now, back at the table, you see me sew down the lines. Make sure they were straight. And I'll show you when I'm putting together how straight they look. But what I did was I stuffed it. I stuffed the jacket already. Basically, what you want to do, how you do this, you're going to sew down one side of the jacket all the way around. You're going to leave the other side open. First thing you're going to do, you're going to sew one side down. You'll sew your lines. Then you leave the other side open. Then you can stuff. Now, you can stuff as much or as little as you want. That's to your discretion, how you puffy you want it. If you want to look like Stay Puff, the Marshmallow Man, then go for it. Yeah, I wanted just enough puff just to get the lines right, as you can see. So now what we're going to do is go back to the sewing machine, and we're going to sew down the other side.
Play it safe. Watch me isolate, watch me isolate, hey, watch me isolate. Whoa. Clear out the room, I'm coming through. They want to see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill.
We sewed everything around. It's all sewed up. All three pieces. Now, how you actually want to place this to make the lines line up after you do it. You saw what I did with the painter's tape. Now, since you added a little puff, it's going to scrunch it down a little bit. So what you actually want to do, let me just, I'm going to put this over like that. So you want to place it on top of each other like that. But how many lines you got in there, what you want to go, you want to take one of the lines like so, like that, and like that, going across here if you can see it. You want to take them, and this is going to be your starting point. That's how I do it. So that's your starting point. You line both of them up first. You line both of them up like that. And then every else, as long as you did the painter's tape right, everything else is going to line up. So it could be your starting point here, your starting point there. Just take one of the lines that you already sewn, make that your starting point, and then just pin all the way around. Just make sure you don't pin the armholes and you don't sew the armholes, because you need your arms. So earlier I showed you that I had everything sewn all the way around, super clean. But I'm gonna have to attach my collar piece to the jacket, which is right here. I gotta unpin it all the way. And I want to attach the collar piece to the jacket, but I have to do it at the same time when I'm attaching the hood for it to work. Otherwise, it will not work. So I want to show you one of the most important things right now. The jacket is going to have a hood. So I already sewn my hood together, all the pieces. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm thinking that's coming along. That's looking pretty dope. Fur is not going to come. Your fur is not going to come. It's going to come open. So what you're going to want to do is sew your fur pieces together so it's like pinched and it's all one piece. So I'm just going to get it started and show you. Then I'm going to pin it all together. So how you want to do this is, you want to take the collar piece and you want to attach it like so all the way around to the hood, and then attach that to the jacket. So that's how it go, all the way around to the hood first. Then you want to attach it necklining of the jacket, and then pin it and then sew it. So when installing your zipper, you want to install your zipper like this. You want the teeth sides to be facing outwards, because once you sew it, you're going to flip it like that. So then the teeth is going to be flipped and it's going to be inward. So teeth outward, flip inward, then that's how you can zip it up.
So, we are finally done with the project, and I think it's drip-tastic. You know I'm finna come out with some t-shirts that say that, so if you want to get your drip-tastic t-shirt, make sure you hit your boy up. But anyway, I really think it came out drip-tastic. It came out super dope, unbelievable. And if you like it, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. But no further ado, let's get some of that B-roll on this joint.
You wear a hat they call dad. Me, I'm the dad in a hat. You just like clubbing and clothes. Me, I like afternoon naps. 3, I be missed for the road. My oldest like counting racks. My middle one, she's in a dirt bike. My youngest is just like a mama. The mama loves me and I love her, so if she wants something, it's never a bother. 3 little ladies, my babies, and 1 on the way, now I'm stressing my mama. And don't try to play around, don't try to play with them unless you're looking for problems. So don't try to play around, don't try to play with them. My brother's out with the drama. 4 to 5 nights on the road, counting the days till I'm home. I could do show after show, but nothing is better than home. Driving through nights I'm alone, counting the days till I'm home. I've been on road, I'm on go, but nothing is better than home. Clicking my heels like I'm Dorothy. I need new hobbies, it's boring me. Play all my kids and it's water me. I see new loafers, I'm ordering. I just want socks and stocks. I feel on top to top. Shipping a pop by pop. Still young in my 20s, I celebrate. This one for the dads, let me dedicate. Head of the house like the head of state. Bring home the cash in the dinner place. I go, I zoom, accelerate. I cannot be bought at some bargain rate. I got on my bake and my body weight. I stay in the crib like a quarantine. I stay in the crib and I isolate. Making my way, watch me demonstrate. I ain't no special, I'm a tidal wave. I came to win, I ain't gonna play. At my own pace and I'm never late. See the strap thing is still new to me. Might only do this for like 2 or 3. I'll be down as long as it's true to me. Got records on records that's new to you, but none of these records is new to me. I used to skip class, now I'm tutoring. I was just a team with a GED. On paper was worth like a couple G's. That hustle and work, nothing new to me.
Hey, I bet that's some big West Coast drip right there. Hey, I ain't never seen a bandana vest before. I seen some coats, but man, I just smoked the earth with that. And if you feel the same, please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and hey, give me a like. Never stop striving, never stop dreaming, never stop designing. I'm Sauce Boss. Until the next time, I am out.